Use 720p for better image quality. Story 42. National Young Writers Workshop 2021 Perlis MPSM Set A SPM 1119 Trial Exam Question. 250 words essay. Question 4. Your teacher has asked you to write a story for an essay writing competition. Your story must begin with this sentence. The teacher looked at her with a broad smile, handing her a piece of paper. Your story should include the content of the paper, a surprise, a lesson she learned. Write your story. Notice: accuracy of Malay and Mandarin translation is not guaranteed. Essay is written by Mr. Sritharan A, L. Arumugam, B.Ed. TESL, Honours Degree University Putra, Malaysia. CEFR C2 Qualification. Certified English Teacher. Email: srihero@gmail.com. YouTube channel, Melakaexplorer. Please click like, subscribe and share all my essay videos with all your friends and family, but let them watch it on YouTube. Please give generous donation to my CIMB Bank Berhad account, Malaysia. 7027996813 under my name. Thank you. National Young Writers Workshop. The teacher looked at her with a broad smile, handing her a piece of paper. Emma's heart fluttered with anticipation as she unfolded the sheet. It was an invitation to the prestigious National Young Writers Workshop, an accolade she had dreamt of, yet never expected to attain. Her eyes gleamed with a mix of disbelief and joy. This acceptance was more than an opportunity. It symbolized the fruition of her tireless dedication to the craft of writing. Night after night, Emma had woven stories, each word a stepping stone towards refining her artistry. This moment was a validation of her persistence and skill. However, the workshop had an unforeseen caveat. Each participant was required to mentor a novice writer from their own school. Emma was assigned to mentor Lucy, a student infamous for her lackadaisical attitude rather than literary prowess. Reluctantly, Emma embarked on this mentorship. But as days passed, she uncovered a raw, unrefined talent in Lucy. Her imaginative narratives, though unpolished, were rich with potential. Emma found herself invigorated by Lucy's unconventional ideas, challenging her own perceptions of storytelling. The lesson was profound. Talent can flourish in the most unexpected places, often overlooked or underestimated. Emma realized that her role as a mentor was not just to teach but to learn as well, to recognize and nurture hidden potential. The workshop became a journey of mutual discovery and growth. Emma's achievement was no longer just a personal accolade but a shared voyage with Lucy, reshaping her understanding of talent, teaching, and the true essence of writing.